Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to check hotspot name in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you check your hotspot name in Redmi 10 phone, guys? Today I'm going to tell you about this setting. In this video, guys, we will talk about it. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So first of all, friends, open your setting app. After, guys, come on portable hotspot on, and guys, after, guys, you can see your hotspot name, guys. Redmi, 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 guys. Set up portable hotspot, click here, and guys, you can check your hotspot name, guys. Redmi. So I think, friends, you have understood how to check hotspot name in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.